Welcome to Crypto 101. I'm Greg, and I'll be your teacher today.
And I'm Sergio Pérez, and I'm a driver for Oracle Red Bull Racing.
My name is Verstappen, Checo's teammate at Oracle Red Bull Racing.
I'm Andre. I've also passed my driver's license test, so just a bunch of drivers hanging out.
What is a wallet?
You mean like this wallet?
I love the sentiment, Max. Love it. But no, this is a wallet.
It's a USB drive.
That USB drive can actually hold up to several hundred different types of cryptocurrencies. It's one of the most trustworthy places you could store your crypto today.
But it's not the only one, right? There are others.
Exactly. Exchange wallets are another one, for example. It has the same security, but you could access it from anytime, any place, anywhere, with just a few clicks of a button.
Almost like the live data we can send back to the garage.
Exactly. Anytime, anywhere, any place, you can view your cryptocurrency in your exchange wallet. Also, you could buy, sell, and trade.
That's really next level.